season is just around the corner, and for my family and I, that means a lot more days outside by the barbecue. One of my favorite things to cook on the barbecue is probably the most easiest of them all, and that is burgers. My kids love burgers and they also love kafta. And today in this recipe I'm sharing with you, I have combined the two. I'm using Australian lamb leg and I've got my butcher to mince it for me. Now to that 1 kilo of lamb mince, you're going to add 2 slices of white bread that I've processed to a fine crumb, 1 egg, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of Lebanese baharat, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now you're also going to process 1 whole capsicum, 1 onion. Now this is a large onion, so I'm only going to add 1/2, and 1 cup of fresh parsley leaves. And now I'm going to finely process these. Now once you process these ingredients, you will find that it is a little bit wet, so you want to strain off some of that liquid. And you now add that to your meat mixture. And now all you need to do is bring all of those ingredients together, and the best way to do that is get your hands right in there. And now you're ready to shape your meat patties. Now I like to measure them out so that they're all an even size. And I usually go for about 150 grams per patty. Now you can certainly shape your meat patties by hand, but I have this handy meat patty shaper tool, if that's what you call it, to help me do that. Once you've shaped all of your meat patties, put them in the fridge until you're ready to barbecue. You can make these a day ahead or even a week ahead and pop them in the freezer. You're going to cook them on medium heat on your barbecue for say about 3 or 4 minutes on either side. There are so many ways you can build your burger, but this is the way my kids love it. Really simple: lettuce, your beautiful lamb kafta meat patty, a slice of burger cheese, pickles, tomatoes, some caramelized onions that we've cooked on the barbecue as well. And of course my kids can't go without a good squeeze of tomato sauce on their burger bun. And there you go, a Kafta burger. Trust me, your friends and family will love this one.